Hi, my name is Arvin, and we got our kitchen remodeled through Affordable Design and Remodel. We've had several bids before we had Affordable come out, and just our first experience with Nadir, who came out and did our consultation, right away we thought this was the company, this was the person that we wanted to do our project with. The experience was great. From the very beginning, like I said, from the initial consultation when Nadir came out and spoke to us about the project, what we wanted. He even gave us some ideas which were welcomed through the demolition, through pretty much the whole project all the way till the very end of it. It's been a great experience, and we can't say more, not enough good things about the team who've all worked on the project and just the outcome. It's been fabulous. When we were talking to Nadir about what we wanted, my wife specifically wanted kind of a coffee bar if we had the space, and sure enough, Nadir put it into the plans, and it came out exactly what my wife wanted. We're both happy with the end result. I mean, it really opened up the space more than we expected it to be. It's as if we added square footage to the house when the footprint really hasn't changed. The design is what we kind of expected when you knock down a wall in our project, but I mean, it's beyond what we initially thought, and we're super happy with the outcome. Yes, we would definitely recommend Affordable Design and Remodel to our friends and family, which we have already done to several. And the reasons for it's just the experience from the very beginning to the end was fabulous. It was great. We didn't feel pressured at all. Nadir and his team were very friendly, very understanding. They always listened to what we had to provide as far as input. And they made sure that we were happy with the progress from start to finish and the end result. Thank you, Affordable Design and Remodel, for our brand new, beautiful kitchen.
We decided to use Affordable Design because we actually got a flyer on our front door. Tommy and Dane came and we talked a lot about our ideas, and we went ahead and signed them up. It was very easy to work with the team. Dane was in charge, but we also had Juan and his crew come in, and they were very professional. They were very courteous to us. Well, what impressed me the most was the quality of the materials. They were very good. All the companies that they suggested that we went to were very knowledgeable and had a very good variety of things to choose from. So I was very pleased. Whatever little things that I would find, little cracks or whatever, they took care of it right away. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. My favorite thing is the color. I was so tired of white cabinets everywhere, and my walls are all white. And so I wanted color. And I said, I want blue cabinets on the bottom and white cabinets on the top, and I love it. I absolutely love the color. I love the idea of the countertops that has like little sparkles to it, but it kind of gives you a little bit of a blue tinge, kind of, so it's not overpowering. But I can't tell you how much I love coming into this kitchen and seeing those blue cabinets and the white cabinets on top. It's just great. I would absolutely recommend Affordable Design because of the quality of time and workmanship that we experience in our kitchen. Thank you, Affordable Design and Remodel.
We chose Affordable because of recommendations from a couple of our friends. The team at Affordable was great. All the way through the project, they were very accommodating to schedule changes. The Affordable team was really good on helping us pick colors and designs for the kitchen. We had a few areas that we were sure of what we wanted, and they helped resolve all the others. The favorite aspect of the new kitchen is probably the island. They came in and really helped with figuring out, because this was not an island before. So they did help with making sure that the island was proper for the kitchen and really ended up being a beautiful addition to the kitchen. It really opened up the kitchen. When we started, we had overhead cabinets on a support beam on that side, and they were able to remove those and cut off the peninsula and turn it into an island for us. I would definitely recommend Affordable to people looking to do a similar project like this. Between Tommy and Nadir, we were extremely satisfied with their design assistance and the project at the end.
My name's Kenny. My wife and I chose this company because I think, well, one, Tommy was great at coming and explaining all of our questions. And then the reviews were also really good. And I think that was the start of everything. So coming by, we kind of had an expectation and a clear deadline and expectation of what the quality was going to be like. Once we had a deadline, everything was met. It actually was finished earlier. The quality, as you can see, like we couldn't be happier with. I think everything was bright. The quality of the construction and putting everything together was great, so no complaints at all. There was daily checkups by the supervisor, Tommy, and then I think just whether it's email and phone messages, there was frequent communication, and so any questions that we had were answered like within 24 hours. Overall, my wife and I are very satisfied. Favorite part, I guess, is just how much brighter everything is. The coats of paint they put in, and I think combined with the lighting, just kind of made it a more cheerful place compared to what we had before. I think the combination of not only the price, but the professionalism in terms of communication, staying on time or being early with things, and being willing to work with us with any like last minute changes, and that flexibility is something that like we really appreciated. So definitely would recommend them. I had made recommendations to our neighbors and to any friends that are nearby that could use their services. So very happy with the quality.